Hey, Sketch Lab friends, what's cooler than a brain freeze on a beach day? Well, today we're drawing a shark Slurpee and it's packed with summer flavor and Posca power. From bold lines to juicy drips, we're bringing the heat and the chill, so grab your markers because summer just got awesome. So we drew 2 dots in a foreshortened circle, and this is going to start the cylinder for our Slurpee cup, curving line now to the right. And now we want to match that same curve down for the lip of that Slurpee cup. Just kind of going back over those lines. Summer is the best. Hope you're enjoying the summer series. Now we're going to draw these lines down for the side of the cup. And then we want to curve this line on the bottom. And that's going to make a cylinder for us. So we're drawing with forms today, shapes. And as you know, we do use construction lines, so it's best to draw lightly because it's easier to erase. And if you've been enjoying the fan art series, we have some really cool fan art coming up this week. So look at this, guys. I call this the hot dog. And now we're going to do a mini hot dog. And now we're going to make this shark jumping out of this Slurpee ocean. Draw a drip because drips are cool. It creates overlapping, which creates space. So this is the fin. And now we're going to curve a line up to the left. And you can see this is kind of more of a cone. Here's the other fin. All right, got its marking beneath its belly. All right, we're going to add its mouth. And we're going to add a little tongue, add a little layer of cuteness, because this shark isn't dangerous unless you hate cuteness and frozen drinks. So we have the little triangles. All right, guys, we're getting there. So we have our eye. Those little gills. So on July 11th, that's when 7-Eleven gives out all those free Slurpees. That's usually the only time I get them anymore. I don't really drink Slurpees too much anymore. And now we're going to draw a straw. 2 lines down. Is this the danger of plastic straws on the beach right here? Just stab this shark in the top of its head. So we're going to curve these lines up. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw some bubble letters. Super easy. So I'm just going to write the letters first in capital letters. This is going to help me out with a couple things. Number one, the size and making sure I can fit all the letters on the cup. And then I can easily erase if as needed. I could have also curved 2 lines down, kind of creating guidelines for the top and the bottom of the letters. And now I'm just going to draw around the original letter. Just draw around the racetrack. And you have a bubble letter. And if you don't have Posca markers today, don't worry about it. Use whatever you got, because we use colors value. It's good to have at least a 48 pack of colors. You got more range of value of each color. All right, so I'm going to kind of clean up my work, and then I'm going to outline just using a Sharpie marker. Okay, so I'm starting off with a medium blue and a light blue. This is actually a robin green, light blue, and blue on the straws. Got a little bit of just a regular darker blue for the shadows. And you can see going in with a little white Posca paint marker to add some highlights. That's the robin green and emerald green going into apple green and yellow. That's the color mix there. And it kind of creates that little ocean color. And I'm using the regular dark blue to outline. And this is the sky blue, is the medium blue. So they have light blue, sky blue, and blue. So our 3 blues we're using today. Then we had emerald green and robin green. And that's the cool thing about Posca markers, they usually have 2 values basically next door to each other, like robin green and green. You can see you get some really good shading between those darker and medium colors. I think that's really the fun part about using the Posca paint markers. And you can also color mix with them too. So if you want to do like white into your color, it makes it lighter. All right, guys, well, check out my playlist. Watch more videos. See you in the next one.